nighttime flow. Once again, February 3rd, 1998. Now that all the gates and valves are open. A lot of power here. Okay, we're back here still looking at the dam. We're going to follow some of these logs over, right over the top. The breeze goes down. Follow this one last step there. Look at all that stuff. Look at that big log. It's big. Okay, it's just Matilla Creek, just below the dam. There's water, the big flow coming down. Joins up with the Matilla Creek, the main fork. You can see it's really kicking. There's Ohala looking down that way. Big flow. All along. We get Bill in the picture here checking it out. The hydrographer working hard. North Fork Matilla Creek, big flow. San Antonio Creek, February 22nd, 1998. Highway 33 bridge. 23rd, excuse me. Big debris flow, lots of debris in the water. Downstream side of Highway 33 bridge, San Antonio Creek. Okay, this is Cañada Larga Canyon. The creeks, we're on the second bridge up the canyon. It's broken out of the channel, and right up there you can see where it's coming down the road, coming back into the channel below the bridge here. It's not quite as high as the storm on the second and third, but it's getting there. It's still rising, looks like. There you can see it coming down the road, getting back into the channel, and flowing on down the channel. Cañada Larga Creek, February 6, 1998. Okay, this is the Ventura River levee by Casita Springs, just below the confluence of San Antonio Creek. Looking upstream, down towards the trailer park at Casita Springs. Supposed to be approximately 30,000 flowing right now, 30,000 CFS.
There you can see it starting to eat into the levee a little bit. Looks like the riprap's dropped off some here. Right in here. We'll go up a little bit further. Take a look. Okay, we're up a little bit closer to San Antonio Confluence, which is right up there. We're in a tree down. You can see it coming out right there. That's San Antonio Creek coming into the Ventura River. It flows down in probably about 18 inches to 2 feet of freeboard right now on this levee. Across, back down, and then going on down towards the trailer park. Appears to be more freeboard down there. Okay, we're about 100 yards below the confluence of San Antonio Creek. Water's pretty close to the top of the levee right here. It's swirling around. I don't think it'll go around. The river splits into two channels. That's an island right over there you're looking at.